So my name's Samuel Drury. I'm an applications engineer for Jands and deal with a lot of customer support, design services, and just general education when it comes to the technology that we represent. We here at AETM kind of try to showcase a wide array of different technology that helps benefit educators as well as students to make their life just that much clearer in terms of understanding but experiences in general. So one of the big things in particular is Auracast technology. Now, Auracast technology is Bluetooth technology. It's all about Bluetooth low energy transmission. We utilize that Auracast technology inside of a product called Auri. Auri is a product done by Ampetronic and Listic Technologies as a collaboration piece. And the idea behind it is to be able to utilize this more standardized technology to provide hearing assistance to users who require it, or just higher quality audio to people who are a little bit more concerned about their hearing impairments and things like that inside of a space. So the way that we do that is with traditional hearing assistance style systems, you would end up having a dedicated receiver, which we do have dedicated receivers to be able to help out with that. You choose an appropriate stream that we're broadcasting outside of the Auracast transmission device, which we call Auri. And the idea is you select that stream, plug some headphones in, and you're good to go. We do have some dedicated headphones as well, but the really unique part about Auracast technology in particular is using consumer level devices. So for example, we have just some consumer headphones that have the Auracast capability system built into them. What this means is that they're capable of picking up the Auracast streams we're sending out from our Auracast transmitter, so the Auri transmitter itself, so that they can listen in with their own devices. So it's not just for the hearing impaired anymore. It's for anyone who's looking to have a much clearer signal presented to them. Now, these are open streams that anyone can listen to, but there are some security things that we can do to lock them down. So the Ampetronic and Listen team have worked quite hard to implement a few different pieces of improvements, I guess is what we'll call them, into the actual unit itself to make it that much more robust. So what they've done is we now have the capability of generating QR codes. So it means that anyone with their mobile device can walk up, scan that QR code, and that acts as like a bit of a security key at the end of the day to make sure that they're the ones who are then connecting to the actual Auracast stream itself, rather than just publicly finding the key itself. Alongside that, we can put in particular pins and things like that, or we utilize the dedicated Auracast receivers, which have the security information loaded in when you load them into the dock for you to be able to listen into those particular streams itself. So finding more ways to get clear audio out to everyone. So it makes educators' life a little bit easier, students' life a little bit easier. It might be in a student hall or a theater of some sorts. You might be sitting all the way at the back, might not be able to hear the lecturer perfectly clearly. Could have one of these Auracast transmitters sitting inside of the actual space itself. Student up the back puts in their appropriate earbuds. They can hear everything that's going on. Gives them a better learning experience at the end of the day.